Okay, moving along. One last concept or the simple one. This one is you will have some practice to do, where you will be writing code and you will optimizing and all. Suppose you say if a is greater than 0, then you say print some statement. Then again you check. Let's say a equal to int quotes like this. And then I again think if a is greater than 0, then you want to say print. And you want to say the boy. Right? You will notice that I'm saying a int input, a is greater than 0, print, I'm printing hello. And then again I'm checking if a is greater than 0 and printing boys. We can merge these two and you can write one simple line. You can say print hello. You don't really need to separate if statements. If this, then write this, and again you are checking one more time if, and then you are printing boys. You don't need, both statements are perfectly valid and single same condition. Merge this into single, merge this like this. Make sense? This one is more efficient than this one. Right? You don't need to create two different print statement and two different conditions. In one condition, you can merge and print both statements. Make sense? Okay. Now let's see if I say here is a equal to a plus 1. Now can I, not here, sorry, in between. Okay. Now can I merge this code? I cannot. Why? Because I am altering after first check. I am adding 1 and then checking this. Now these two conditions cannot be merged, because if you merge these two conditions, what will you do with this one? This code is in between. There is a code that is altering the value of a before you are again checking a is greater than 0. Right? Where will you take this example? Suppose you are the first student or you are the first customer. I give you 10% discount, and then I say number of customers equal to number of customers plus 1. Now number of customers is 1. Earlier it was 0. I gave you discount. Should I give the discount to second customer? No, my business rule says that second onwards you should not give the discount. So you cannot combine the one discount and another discount into one, because that discount was only for first customer of the day, right? So you're increasing the value by a, and now you're checking if a is greater than 0, and then you're giving it. Should you combine? Not really, because this one was meant for, right now you can actually, but in first case you are saying when a is greater than 0, then print hello, then you're checking, increasing the value of a, and then you are printing boys here. Actually, if you look at it, you can right now combine it, because you're still checking same thing, a is greater than 0, which is true, because whether you add 1 or 2 or 5 is going to remain greater than 0. You can still combine it. But I am not able to come up with a situation where I can show you why it will not be. Maybe in the next class, I'll show you when you merge it and there is a code in between which is impacting, then you will not be able to merge.